Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you send files using Facebook Mobile, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you how can you send any type of file using Facebook from your phone. So follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now let's say you want to send a file using Messenger. You would go first, open your Play Store or App Store, wait for the app to fully load up from here, and search for Messenger. And once you find it, you'll need to make sure it is always up to date, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So after you update your app, you can quit now and head out to Messenger, and you'll notice that there is no option yet to send files using Messenger, and that's why you should always keep the app updated so that when this option makes it to the Messenger app, you get it amongst the first users. Now, with that out of the way, I'll show you now how can you send files using Messenger in a different method. So first we need to go ahead and open your browser, and from your browser go to this website wetransfer.com. From there you should see something that looks like this. Why is it in Spanish? Let me just refresh it in a minute. Alright, here you go. Now it is in English. Tap on send a file right here. You'll be taken to this page. Tap on the plus button to add the file that you want to send, and then tap on media in the bottom to select the file from there. You'll be taken to your files manager. Choose the file that you want to send. I'm gonna send this PDF file. So once you select it, you'll be taken to this page. You can rename it and even add a message right here. Anyways, once you've done all of that, you can tap on next in the bottom right corner. And from here, tap on get a link. Wait for the processing to be completed. It will take some seconds. Then from here, just tap on copy link in the bottom, or just copy that link, head out to Messenger, and you can paste that link right here and send it, and the receiver will open that link and they will get the file that you have shared with them in a very easy and, as you can see, clear method. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.